Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be installing some blue anodized aluminum trim rings by Xomzema. Let's go check them out. A big thank you to Xomzema for providing the product for this video. This is an anodized aluminum trim ring set for the interior controls on your Bronco. They've got textured edges so you can keep a good grip on them. Being made of aluminum, they're extremely lightweight, and they have a machined finish accent to them as well. And to install them, they just friction fit over the existing controls. All you have to do is just gently press them on. I'll add a link to these trim rings in the description below. You're still able to use the controls just like normal. They fit nicely and the dial still works smoothly. There's a larger ring for the goat mode selector as well. And you can still easily select the various different modes. And finally, the smallest ring is for the headlight dial. And it still operates as normal too. Here you can clearly see the textured finish. And I'm going to note that the blue is not an exact match to the blue of the OBX interior. And I'm pretty sure that's a limitation of the anodizing process. Nevertheless, they're a nice quality product with a good feel. As you can see, that was a really easy install. You literally just push it onto the dials, and that's it. Gives a different look to the interior of the Bronco, ties the blue in a little bit with the OBX. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.